Hi guys, I'm Chayla with Mindful Somatics, and we have Vladi. She is the celebrity heavyweight bodybuilder. And today we're going to show you just 5 quick, really effective hip mobility stretches for those tight hips and tight hamstrings. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to start off with a wide stance good morning. So you want your feet facing forward. And then we're going to do a good morning and stretch forward. The biggest thing we want to focus on is keeping our back flat. We don't want to round. If we round through our lower back, then we're taking the stretch more into our lower back instead of flattening our spine and targeting our hamstrings. So with the flat spine, we're just going to stretch forward and lean as far as you can. Big deep breath. And you want to really think about keeping that back flat and really pushing the hips back, and you're going to really feel an intense stretch in your hamstrings.
Did you feel it?
Yep.
From the beginning.
That's good though, you're getting pretty far. Big deep breaths, keep stretching forward. This is really, really good for the hamstrings. Keep that lower back flat, almost a slight arch, and you're going to feel that target the hamstrings even more. And slowly come on up. That one is one of my favorite for the hamstrings. We're gonna come down to the ground, to our knee.
Okay, now this one. Okay.
Yeah. Now you're gonna take your back knee 90-degree angle behind you. And now if you have a light kettlebell or dumbbell, it's really nice to add a little bit of weight, but we are just gonna go no weight for a home stretch. You're gonna take your other hand inside and keeping this hand up to the ceiling, and you're gonna look at your top hand. You're gonna push your hips back behind you and slowly reach for the ground. This is going to be a hip and posterior and into your T-spine stretch. Back up. So after you get comfortable with this, you can add light weight, or you can also go a little bit further down and start to go down to your elbow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
This one gets hard because you really have to shift your hips back.
Oh yes. Well, this is on my way. My leg. Okay.
Nice.
So,
Nice.
Up. Oh my God. I'm trying here.
You're doing great.
I mean, I can reach it.
Shifting your, just shift your hips back a little bit more. Back, there you go. Oh, that's great. Keep your hand up to the ceiling. And back up.
Wow. I didn't know that you can target it so well.
Yeah. And just a couple more reps to feel the position. Keeping that head looking up at the hands. This one's really nice for a little bit of shoulder stability too when you add that light weight on that hand. And let's switch sides and try out the other side, see if there's some imbalances. So again, the back knee is at a 90-degree angle. And then hand on the inside of your leg, shifting down to the ground. Nice, looking up at that hand. And back up. Really focus on your form, shifting your hips back. Feel the stretch throughout your hips and all the way into your shoulders. A nice ringing through the spine.
Wow. This is more intense than a workout.
Stretching it really is. You'll be sore from stretching. Okay, now one I really like. Let's go down to our backs. We'll take our right foot, cross it on our left knee, and then slowly roll down to your back. Reach your hand under your foot and grab your left knee and pull your knee into your chest. Yep. Feel that throughout your glutes.
You feel it all right. Wow.
And you can also think about tucking your chin to lengthen the back of your neck, and that will also help stretch out your spine as well. This one can also feel really good if you have a lower back pain or lower back tightness. Sometimes also targeting, stretching out your glute muscles can help relax and stretch out your lower back as well. And switch sides. See if one leg feels tighter than the other.
Wow, I didn't know about this.
Yep, and then think about tucking your chin, almost as if you're trying to give yourself a double chin. And that helps lengthen the back of your spine and your neck. Kind of gently take a big deep breath in, relaxing the stretch a little bit. And then on the exhale, pull your knee in closer to your chest. For the next stretch, we're going to bring our right foot on our right knee. This one can get a bit complicated with the hips, but once you get it, it's not that difficult. So take your back foot and shift it, and then you're also going to shift your hips slightly, and then drive your right knee down to the ground. At the same time, reach back and try to get your toes. And this is a really nice T-spine into your hips stretch. And again, big deep breath, so you feel the lungs slightly come out of the stretch. And on the exhale, drive that knee down closer to the ground. If you want to increase the stretch slightly, take and look towards your right. Little stretch through the neck.
I feel crucified.
You what?
No, nothing. Okay.
And slowly relax. We can try the other side. See. So again, left knee on the right knee, the left foot on the right knee, twisting your hips to the side, catching the back foot, driving that left knee down to the ground, then looking to your left. Big deep breath, and then sink deeper into the stretch. Twisting all the way from the neck down the spine into your head. And slowly come on out. Coming up to our last stretch here, we're going to take our knees down to a 90 and 90 degree angle. Yep, back knee at a 90 and then front knee at a 90 degree angle. Nice. Love this stretch, especially for the glutes. And then you want to think about squaring your shoulders to your front knee. So think about like squaring it to your ankle and your knee. And then No, you're doing great. It's that. There we go. All right, so we want to think about squaring our shoulders to your knee and your ankle, and then don't collapse through your spine. Think about stretching tall. That's going to bring the stretch down into your hips, and then stretch your chest forward, walking your hands and inching them out. Another great variation of this stretch is if you're struggling to get your spine straight, you can always lift and elevate your hips on a yoga block, or you can take and use the wall as leverage. I'll just demonstrate here. You can use the wall as leverage to twist your spine, and that'll help you get into correct position and target the stretch here in your hips. Another nice variation of this is if you take it and lean back, we can target our hip flexor, and then you can slowly inch down.
Wait, I'm afraid to
There
step.
you go. Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh,
Yeah, you'll feel that in your hip flexor and
I
also
feel
your
it.
quad.
it's good. I mean,
Let's try the other
wow.
side.
Okay, this is like really nice. Okay.
Yep, there you go. You also want to think about 90 degree in front of you, 90 degree behind you. Squaring your chest up to your front leg. Walking forward. Does one leg feel tighter than the other?
This is tighter.
Ah.
I'm doing the triangles. Yeah, this one is more.
It's better. That's always good to time your stretches to make sure that you're holding each side an equal amount, because it's our tendency to hold the side that's easier and more relaxed for longer and the side that's more tight for less time. So it's always good to have a timer and make sure you're holding each side an equal amount. Let's try, see if we can go all the way or further back. So 1,
Oh my god.
yeah, careful.
If somebody pushes me down, maybe I can.
You could even. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Nice. See if you can drive that knee down. That'll be a really intense stretch in your hip flexor.
Wow.
And then you can roll to the left to help get up.
I mean, I still can go down.
That was still impressive.
Yes.
That is a wrap to our quick hip mobility stretches. Thanks, Vladia, for joining me.
Thank you so much. Now I saw that I really needed that. Now I can do it at home, right?
Yes, these are really nice stretches to do at home or after your workouts. Easy, quick, and effective. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.